how to use the Collectr app. So here's an overview of the app itself. Once you open it up, you might be able to see portfolio here and that I have gained some money in the last 30 days. So how this works is essentially you will be able to scan or input all of your cards, and it's going to track the performance and the price of those cards. From the home screen, you are able to see portfolio and your total amount which you have scanned. You see some personalized offers if you keep scrolling down, as well as trending cards underneath it. You will also be able to see the different collections. So currently I only have Pokemon, as well as some content creators right underneath it. Now, if we continue, I want us to focus on the portfolio section here. So the portfolio section is going to be where your cards are located. So how this works, you can essentially create multiple portfolios. I'm just going to click on main here, and you can create multiple portfolios and add different cards to the portfolios. You get 30 scans per month. Okay, so how can we actually scan cards? You want to click on the search bar at the bottom, and you can see the different filters. We have Pokemon, Yu-Gi-Oh, One Piece, all of these TCGs which you can use to scan. But instead, what I'm going to do is click on the camera icon here, and it's going to activate the camera, and you can get your card and just click on it. As you can see, the pro version, without the pro version, you get 13 scans left, so it was 30 total. And you just press on it and it automatically detects the card, just like that. And you can click on next to add it. Now you can type whether it's the reverse whole file, the condition, and also the quantity here. You can add multiples if you have multiples of the same card, and you will just click on add to portfolio. All right, so once you do that, we're just going to exit here. So once you do that, like I said, it goes into your portfolio and it begins tracking the amount of money or your total portfolio value. If we click on shop, it's going to display some different offers for booster boxes, for single cards, for graded cards also, and you can see that some go for a pretty penny. So quite expensive cards here. And you also get offers or auctions from eBay, TCG player content, and like I said, some graded cards. You also have the social section. Here you can connect with other people and talk to them. And the profile, this is just going to be your profile, so it's going to display your total cards, your value, sealed, graded, and the performance here. If you want to go and get all of the available features of the app, you can go and get performance mode, which is going to be the pro mode, and you can also change the currency here from the top, so it's going to display your total value in the currency which you select. So I hope this video helps you out. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.